An Egyptian mechatronics engineer has invented a robot that can extract potable water by condensing humidity in the air and turn it into drinking water using artificial intelligence. I started to think about developing this technology to absorb moisture in the air and turn it into water since 2013. Mahmoud Al-Qami, winner of the Geneva Invention Award, told Xinhua. The engineer from Tanta city in northern Egypt said he was inspired by NASA's flights to Mars. The weather of Mars is known to be saturated with the high levels of humidity while it's very dry at the same time. The technology of generating water from moisture is not new, he said, but the technology is available on the new capable operating in difficult conditions. SpaceX Starship is gearing up for its first orbital launch attempt next month, with only a few developments yet to be made. For instance, vacuum-rated Raptor engine installation and launch tower construction. The Starship will get jet off to the space once it gets the green light from the regulatory authorities, according to SpaceX and Tesla founder Elon Musk. Like before, SpaceX will get its official approval from US Federal Aviation Administration to launch it for the first prior flight. FAA, on the other hand, required SpaceX to ensure there's a minimal risk of failures while launching. The launch attempt will be made from its development location in the Texas. An era of US news outlets cited documents from former Facebook worker Frances Haugen, adding to a series of critical revelations already published based on information they provided. Articles in the New York Times, Washington Post, and elsewhere on Friday focused on how Facebook apparently intensified political division. Examples included an internal finding that 10% of political content viewed by US users in the days after the election persuaded and falsehood that the vote had been rigged. What has come to know by the big lie has been repeated by former President Donald Trump and engaged his supporters who stormed the US Capitol in the deadly attack on January 6. Facebook's messaging app Messenger is about to told augmented reality experiences to this video conferences. The group effects features is all set to add life is boring video conferences. From a group of 70 group effects, users can easily put any filter on this choice. To apply the group effect, a member is supposed to start a video call, then tap the smiley face to apply the group filters from the list of 70 effects. Just as pick out the effect, it will be applied to every member of the group chat. Group effects provide to a more engaging, interactive way to connect with your friends. YouTube Music has recently announced to disable its feature of playing videos while listening to music of non-premium account. The announcement was made in a long pause from the company stating that music videos of YouTube Music will be very soon become exclusive to its paid subscribers, while free listeners will enjoy audio only. The non-premium users will miss out on the option while listening to the music on demand, watching videos and skipping ads and various tracks to the choice. However, they can listen, enjoy audios, browse songs and access songs according to their different moods. In the wake of current account David Chappelle controversy, Netflix employees staged a walkout in solidarity with fellow trans colleague. The video streaming service received intense backlash for not censoring its TV series The Closer jokes targeting the LGBT community. David Chappelle's The Closer has been under criticism since the release of its last season. At the start of October, when the new season of the TV series The Closer has about to air, the staff spoke out against the transphobic jokes in the show, while referring to the show producer Dave Chappelle's disturbing remarks, proudly calling himself Team TERF, a term for those feminists who do not include the rights of trans women when standing up for a woman. After acquiring Sphere and increasing its access, Twitter made an announcement regarding a Spaces tool recently. Anybody with iOS Android can access to the host Twitter Space from now onward. Previously, the ability to conduct the audio meeting was limited to accounts with at least 600 followers. Option is available to everybody using Twitter on smartphones. Twitter is constantly improvising the Spaces tool since a new development was made recently when it allowed the host to add 2 more co-hosts and around 10 speakers for better moderation. The microblogging application also disabled 24-hour story feature, also known the term Fleet, to have a better focus on Spaces and its updated version. Recently, the US Senator Richard Blumenthal invited Facebook's founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg to testify for his actions regarding the harm Instagram does not its user mental health, especially minor girls. After reviewing the leaked internal documents by Facebook's former employee and whistleblower Frances Haugen, the senator called Zuckerberg, writing, "Facebook appears to have concealed vital information from us about teen mental health and addiction. When I sought specific information about Instagram and teens in August letter, Facebook provided clearly evasive and misleading answers that have been now directly disputed to Mr. Haugen." Snapchat, the story sharing application, recently followed the suit of other social media applications after it decided to bring its tools in minor safety, just like other applications including Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube, etc. The application has come up with parental control tools for the safety of teens, especially girls. The recent decision of Snapchat was shared among the public by the company's CEO, Evan Spiegel, in a recent interview. The CEO also highlighted the fact that Snapchat respects its user privacy, provided the filters Snapchat is used while uploading their stories by default. Instagram is on something new days. The photo and video sharing application is working on innovative measures to encourage teenagers to keep away the harmful content for their safety and take break from the social media whatever needed. Vice President for Global Affairs Facebook came up with the idea when former product manager Frances Haugen disclosed the fact before Congress that Instagram has started distributing mental health of many teenagers around the world.
बोल ब्रीफ्स की वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए बोल ब्रीफ्स के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलें।